If you taste the same wine from different glasses, you will find it very different. And today is about how can you use this in your advantage, making your wine more impressive. If you think that the wine you just opened is a little bit too flabby, then you should drink it from this kind of glass. And I'm talking about the shape from the bottom of the glass. This sharper conical shape will increase the way we are perceiving the acidity, and it will bring on more freshness in your wine. The opposite situation goes as well. If you think that the wine you are drinking is just too aggressive, then try it from a glass with this kind of round spherical shape at the bottom of its bowl. This kind of glasses are taming down the way we are feeling the acidity. Some dry wines have a kind of sweetness in their aftertaste, and this is not coming from the grapes like Gruner Veltliner or Chardonnay or Pinot Blanc. It is from the process of winemaking. And if you don't like it, then you should drink your wine from a glass which emphasizes the acidity. I mean with this sharp conical surface at the bottom of the bowl. If you drink any kind of wine from a glass with this spherical round shape at the bottom, you will get the opposite. So those glasses will increase the way you are feeling the sweetness from the wine. Yes, and we have more about the red wines. But I have to do the setup first. If you love red wines, you have to try this. It's a game-changing experience. Take a bottle of Pinot Noir and drink it from two different glasses, a Burgundy-style glass and a Bordeaux-style glass. You will find so astonishing differences that I don't have to tell you too much. Just one thing, pay attention to the bottom of the bowl. This sharp conical shape from here will emphasize the acidity. The round spherical shape from here will emphasize the minerality. The balance of those two is changing everything in the way you will find the wine. Repeat this experiment with a bottle of Cabernet Sauvignon. You will notice that the glass which emphasizes the acidity is breaking down the structure of a strong tannic wine like Cabernet Sauvignon in a beautiful way. And the glass which emphasizes the minerality is helping a lot the delicate and soft aromas from a wine like Pinot Noir or from a wine like the Austrian-born Zweigelt. After you've done this experiment, you will be able, anyways, in any circumstances, to find the right glass for the red wine you are drinking. That's it. I'm sure those tricks will help you to enjoy more your favorite wine and also to discover new great wines. I'm looking forward for your comments and for your support. I'm waiting for you here on my channel with new materials. Cheers!